Yo, it's your boy TC the Barber back with another haircut tutorial for you today. So in this haircut tutorial, I'm doing a skin fade, setting in my first ball guideline with my walls detailers, and these are the adjustable ones, detachable blade. They are not the newer version. So as you can see, I'm cleaning around the ears, around the back of the neck, getting it nice and smooth, and prepping this for my next step. So in this next step, for my walls magic clip with the lever all the way open, and I'm gonna be going up about a half inch, setting in my second guideline. And I hope y'all enjoying these beats, man. This one took me a really long time to find. I'm trying to bring y'all the best content, the best beat, you know, something that y'all can kind of float to while y'all watch, you know what I'm saying? Keep you entertained a little bit. So as I'm finishing up on the right side, I'm going back around the head, making sure my lines are nice and neat. And I'll be coming in with my Balls Magic Clip with the lever all the way closed. And I'm going to be flicking out this first guideline that you see here. And as you can see me attacking that line, it's already starting to blend with the lever. I adjust it to half now, and I'm flicking right up under the line that you see around the side of the head. Now I'm not going past that line, I'm keeping it right up under that line. Right now, just adjusted it. It's not all the way open, it's a notch before open. And I'm just flicking right up under that line that you see there. So right here I'm going to be coming in with the one guard with the lever all the way open. And I'm going to be creating my second guideline. And I'll be repeating the same steps across the head, setting in this guideline about a half an inch. In this area of his head right here on the side, coming around the back of the head grows weird. So all I'm doing is just finessing, and I'm cutting it the way it grow. And as you can see, me coming back around, making sure my lines are neat. So with the zero guard with the lever all the way closed, I'm going to be flicking out the second guideline that you see. Getting in those little small areas using the corner of my blades, I like to do that. It's a technique that I use for those little small areas that you don't want to use the whole blade for. So right here, my walls magic clip, I didn't have them on a charger, so I had to switch up with my Anley's cordless masters with the one guard on there with the lever all the way closed. And like I said, I'm just flicking out this second guideline that you see here, and I'm also adjusting it as well. Right now I took the guard off because for some reason with the magic clips and the Andy cordless T-liners, they're different levels. I feel like my Walls magic clip cut closer than my Andy's T-liners. So right here you see me with the guard off with the lever all the way open, and I'm just doing some detail work, blending out those dark spots that you see, making the transition for the fade real smooth. So I do have the one guard back on now with the lever all the way closed, and as you can see, I'm going around the head and I'm just blending the dark spots adjusting the camber as well. You know I have to do that. Adjust it again on you. And get real tricky sometimes. But anyways, with the lever half open. And as you can see, I'm finessing this fade, man. I'm finessing it. With the 1 guard now, the 1.5 guard. As you can see, or the 1 guard with the lever all the way open. And as you can see, man, I'm going in on this fade. Brushing the hair back forward so I can see what I'm fading. And I know you can see that little guideline right there, and that I'm just finessing and just I'm blending out real good. And again, guys, I'm just playing with the lever half open and close. Right now it's open. And just finessing it, man. I know y'all see the work, man. Right now with the lever all the way closed. Adjust it up to about half. And as you can see, it's coming together. It's coming together, man. So right now I got some gel that I bought from Target, and he wants me to sponge the top, so that's what I'm gonna do here. Work that gel up in there real nice till it dissolves. So as you can see, I got the gel worked in there, and I'm gonna be coming back with the sponge. And all I'm doing, I'm just going in a circle motion. It's no particular way you can do this. Everybody do it different. Well, in a circular motion. So I'm not really putting no pressure on his head. I'm really light-handed with it. My man's falling asleep on me. It's crazy, man, because I know somebody, I know at least for me, sometimes I get clients, and every time I cut somebody hair, like, they always fall asleep on me. But that's a good thing though, because then you know they relaxed. They enjoy what you do, you know. And then also coming to a barbershop, you know, sometimes people be running all day and finally get a chance to sit down, and that's just that relaxation time. So as you can see, I'm finishing up with the sponge right here. Just a little technique that I do. He don't want me to cut off too much in the front, so right now I'm just using the teeth of the Wall Magic clip. As you can see, I got these back now. They charge. I made sure they was charged this time, and I'm just using the teeth of the blade to just clean up the front area just a little bit. And I'm just going up in an upward motion, and then I'm flicking out. I don't want to take too much off of the front area, because you want to keep that shape, keep that look. He really fell asleep on me. I was cutting his hair, so I didn't see, but yeah, he's out cold, man. He's definitely relaxed. So right here, I'm coming in with my Gold FX fabulous trimmers, amazing clippers. I can say so much about these, but I'm gonna just go right into the hairline right now. And like I say, I like to start in the middle and then carry it across to the left, other side of the head, and then trace it to the right side. I'm a tap and go type of person, so I'm not gonna dig into the line because these clippers are already sharp. And I like to take my time with my hairlines, because I just like to make sure they nice and neat. Because this is the part right here. This is the very most important part of the cut right here. This right here is the most important part. You definitely have to get this right the first time. It's no coming. Oh, he dozed on me. See, he dozed on me. I could have went in right there, but I didn't. I felt when he was dozing too. I felt it. For some reason I can, and I get this a lot of times. Like this, he's not the first person to doze on me, but I can feel when their body starting to get rocky, and I come right off of it. But anyways, as you can see, starting in the middle, and I like to tilt the head back when I line them up too, just so it's a way for me to try to get the line as straight as I could. Some people line is not straight, some people line curves. Everybody got different front hairlines. So as you see, I'm gonna speed this up. Same thing you do to the left side, you do to the right side. Right now I'm just blending out the sideburns, blending that in, working that into the fade. You like this type of look. And I'm coming back in with the golds. Didn't put it in the description, but it is a haircut and a beard trim. So just to let you guys know. And we gonna get them nice and neat, man. I'm all in the camera. I gotta admit, sometimes, man, when I be cutting hair and I'm trying to do a video at the same time, I forget about the camera, man. I be like, man, get out the way, man. I'm trying to get up in here and get them nice. But anyway, the fade is coming all together. Putting a line on that thing right now. Go my head in the video again. That is just artiste. This is like my canvas right here, and the Gold FX is my pen right now. Coming across the chin with them things, man. You got to see, because you see me hitting the hair, and it just, the line is just, it's like the hair falls off before the clippers even hit them. That's how cold they is, man. That's how cold these Gold FX is, man. Gotta say, my boy Dre, aka Showtime the Barber, he put me up on these gold trimmers. I wouldn't even have known about them if he didn't say, hey yo Tone, you got to get these, man, like right now. I'm like, right now? He like, yeah, right now. I said, okay, yeah, go. I'm gonna get them then. So right now, as you can see, I'm just shaping the beard. And I'm just getting those wild hairs that are sticking out amongst the hairs that are not so wild. And just getting them nice and clean, man. We gonna have them right by the end of this video. You'll see, just watch. Stay with me, y'all. Don't fall asleep, stay with me. I know this is a long video, but we gonna get it together. As you see, I just go in and I'm just coming up off it. I'm just shaping it like it's no tomorrow, man. Like, I mean, I'm cutting him as if he got a date tonight or something. So you see, just cleaning up under the necks. Definitely can't forget this part. And as you can see, this the cut, baby. Got them nice and smooth, got them in there nice and clean. And like I say, got more videos coming to you. And I just want to thank y'all for watching, liking, subscribing, all that good stuff. And YouTube, that's the cut. And I'm out. TC the Barber.